Hey guys, it's me, Arabian Plays again, and back with another video of Shred. Alright, I'm gonna turn my music on now. Finally, we're all the way up, and I don't think all the map loaded yet. Oh god. Alright, I'm going up here. Alright, this is gonna take a while. Alright, we're ready. Let's go. What the heck? It didn't work. Fix your game, make it more responsive. Oh god, how did I not die? Yes! I'm doing so well. Wow. Oh shoot, turn. Oh no. What? What is this? Boy. Oh god. How do I fall down again? Alright, I'm done. Let's go. The heck? This thing's so unresponsive. There we go. Alright. Turn. How? Oh my god, you're supposed to level out. Why? Why is this thing so unresponsive? Alright, hit it. There we go. Let's go. How did I not die? Considering for the other attempts that I did way less than that and I died. Yeet. This guy's awesome at this game, isn't he? He must get all the girls. Whoa! Okay. Alright, let's go again. Why is this thing so unresponsive? Ooh, that was close. Oh. Oh! Oh! That was terrible. What the heck? There. Oh! Turn! Turn! Turn if you don't want to die. Oh my. Oh, I'm dead. Yep. I knew. Alright, let's go. Do a flip! God! There. Okay. Watch out! Oh! I don't blame him for passing out. Gladiator. What the heck? Alright. Comment down below what else you want to see me play. I might give it a try. Shoot. Okay, there. Alright, go down. Watch out. No need to watch anything, just go fast. What? I landed that perfectly, but no, I have to pass out. Come on. There. What is this? What is this man? What is his life? What is he doing? Oh my god, I tried to do a flip, but it wouldn't let me. That's cool. I didn't land it though. Alright, time to do the hardest trick here. Come on, it's much harder than that. Yup, that's so hard. I'm gonna stop once I land it. Okay. Landed it. That's cool. What the heck? Oh my god, this guy is so bad. Alright, hold on. Let me just get this. Wow. How? You land something 50 times more complicated, but you can't land that. Wow. Terrible. Welcome back to Sniping with Arabian Plays. Well, I'm probably gonna knife somebody, but that's fine. Get some no-scopes, hit some clips. Can I join Paradox? Poke, hit me up. I'm obviously not very good at this game. I would have found somebody by now. Nobody? Yeah. I'm not good at this game. What is this accuracy? I just hit him with the deagle. Wow. Can't kill him with a Mosin, but I can definitely kill him with a deagle. And I see you. Yeah, good luck. I need it. Why are you running? Bro, why are you in there? Come out. Come out of here. Come out. You scared? Alright. Either you come down to me or I'm gonna come up to you. You're not gonna like it. That's what I said. You're not gonna like it. Oh, rip Mike Peck. I was in the last server. It's dumb. Hit markers for days. Oh, shoot. Alright, he's in here. Oh, why did I switch to my knife? Why did I think he was there? Oh my god, I'm not very good at this game. Gotcha, finally. I'm on 17 HP though. Oh, well he died. Oh. Oh my god, what? What was that? What was that? Oh, this is so bad. What's my KDR? 2. So bad. I'm usually better than this. When I don't record, I'm super good at this game. There's like barely anybody here. I'm on the smaller team. Alright, I know somebody's over here. What the heck? Oh my god. Alright. Mike Sarge, I was in your server. Ah! Bone me, Mr. Hopper, you're here too? Ah! Shoot. Why would I do that? Get in the cover! Oh my god, I'm just trying to get some clips. But this is what happens. Almost 100%. What the heck? What is this? I can't be in Paradox, can I? Why do I freeze up when I'm recording? I'm usually like 5 times better than this. Usually I got a 10 KDR. Well, not 10, but 5 at least. What the heck? It's not fair. Oh my god. Alright. Optics. Comment down below which optic you think I should use. Why? I went to the... Yes, I love this optic. It's so cool. Alright. Let's try to hit a clip. Alright, I see somebody. I hit him. Got him. Technically got a double kill there. I'll take that, actually. Bro. What are you doing? What are you... Oh my god. Okay, I'm out. See ya.